In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create outline text in Squarespace. This step-by-step guide is designed to make your website's typography stand out with a stylish outlined effect. So let's dive in and get started. First, if you haven't already, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, locate the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you can access your site. Now, if you use Google for your account, simply click on Continue with Google. This quick option allows you to get started without having to remember yet another password. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Simply find and click on your website. With your site open, it's time to head over to the Pages section. This section is your website's organizational hub, allowing you to manage your site's different pages with ease. You're going to want to click on Pages, which can be found in the main navigation menu. Next, look for the Website Tools option. Clicking on this will open up a set of utilities that can help you customize various aspects of your site. From here, direct your attention to the Custom CSS section. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to add custom style rules to your website, giving it that personalized touch. Click on Custom CSS to open the editor. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to type in the CSS code that will create the outline text effect on your site. If you're wondering about the code specifics, don't worry. It usually involves setting properties like WebKit text stroke or text shadow with appropriate values. These can be adjusted to fit your desired look, whether you want a subtle or a more prominent outline. Once you've added your CSS code, the final step is crucial: saving your changes. There's nothing more heartbreaking than getting everything perfect and then losing it because you forgot to save. So make sure to click on the Save button. This will apply your outline text effect across your website where the code is referenced. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've transformed your text design on Squarespace to feature a sophisticated outlined effect. It's a great way to make headings and other important text elements pop, drawing your visitors' attention to key content on your site. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials.